Flash, right?
I don't have a
You're breaking.
You want it?
All right, we're here. Yes, you're welcome back. You're still there on top of Good Morning Niger show on top of Wazobia TV. Yes, hopefully you enjoyed the show so far. And we're about to wrap up here. You say on Fridays, time they quickly go. Yeah. That's because the spirit of ginger is very, very fast. But we get one confirmed guest inside the studios this morning. You're going to need to listen up and enjoy this one. And we get actress and movie producer. We don't start the acting career since 2001. Some of you were not even born then. She then become household name with her movie successes. Egg of Life, some of you don't see him. Sister, Marital Confusion. This lady even embark on, training. Enter inside the New York Film Academy. There go grab degree in acting and filmmaking. Ogbon get film, now she just drop as it hot. We go need to sunshine that one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, Parita Ago.
Where is she? Where is she?
Where is she?
You look so pretty.
I did one.
Pretty.
I did follow on her footsteps.
And my footsteps will actually follow.
I be learner.
So I'd like to ask you this first question because a lot of thespians in recent times, it don't they be like, say, even when you get a degree in acting or theater arts, like a bachelor's degree, it's never enough. If you notice, most of our thespians now don't they try to go film school, go equip themselves with one extra film training or the other. Why you feel say it's important? Or you feel say your film training what you get for New York Film Academy, it equip you better as an actor, as a filmmaker?
Well, I must say that the most important thing first now to get the experience, because no matter how you school reach, if you never go the field, go try them. If you sit down for class, they learn how to carry hold, they make ridges for yam. For class, you need to go farm, go do them. So now that one important pass, but all of them join. It's good to learn how to, get professional training on how to do these things. But the thing with theater arts, we say that one now for stage.
Okay.
They teach you more about how to do stage acting and all that. That one now for the uncles them. But film, to go school for film learning, you need to learn how to stand for camera, how to back how to stay your mark, all those things, how to act for camera, for film. That one different from stage on.
Okay, me, I want to ask you this question based on being a producer. Yes, I know I never act before, so I don't understand the process of you selecting. But I don't hear a lot of people talk about, say, Mago, they actually take place, or some kind of stories, they take place when you select actors and actresses. Now, how true be these stories? And really, as a producer, what do they look out for when you actually select people to act in your movie?
Like when you cast for this latest movie you
latest
do now.
one.
First of all, as I do this one, as person where just they start for producing side, me go first look for who go sell my markets. So I go find actor, I go look the story. This story now, who it fits, where we know for industry, where they sell market, where you get like 5 of them or 4, any number. You try the first one. They're available, or the money too much, keep price. You try the next one. So things like that. Then when you don't select your main cast with the people who go help you sell market, we don't already make name, then the rest, if you audition, pick other people where their face never...
But how you feel say those ones where they give this lesser roles, how they go make name? Because remember, say, these big ones where they sell market, there was a time, it get time we be say them, not they sell. Them get to be ahead. So how do we encourage, how you feel say the industry feel encourage young and upcoming? Because a lot of times you go see somebody, don't they act for 10 years, they still be up and coming. If you ask, I go tell you say that because they give you opportunity. And so these people are quite talented and gifted.
The thing is that it depends on the story. You get the story where you go get, you go cast, cast now, you go carry the role, give people where just they come up, make them play the lead. Can't use the big celebrities, can't support them. Make those ones play supporting role. That's now another way to encourage up and coming. But it all depends on the story. If the story is strong, you need a strong hand to hold on to tell the story. Then use. But these stars today, get the days too where they start as wakapas. They started as up and coming. They didn't start playing lead roles immediately. So they were just playing. But anyone where they give you, even if they say may you talk. Make sure say that your ha. Nobody forget them. That way they go remember that person will talk ha for that film. He talk and well. We give them the one way go say ha ha. From there, if he make another 3 ha,
now based on this your movie, The Last 3 digits.
Yes.
And I want to know about and what actually inspired you to come up with this movie.
Na money I dey find, no. I no go lie.
Igbo babe.
Number one.
Na money I dey find. The story na, basically the summary of the story. This young boy been dey in love with his sweetheart, so they can't lost contact for many years. He can't run into her for shopping mall. As they greet finish, he can't dey collect her number. She collect him phone, they punch her number. Her mama just can't rush her, come out, say they won't miss their flight. As they don't go finish, now the boy say the number where she punch, 3 digits miss.
Not correct.
3 digits no day. So I need to see this babe. Man, long time, in first love. So he come begin they guess numbers, they die. So he enter all kind of things, all kind of wahala. Nobody will call for this life. So now the thing about the film, the whole thing centers on all the funny people they call the things. Even enter trouble. Now whether in die whether in survive, you
find out. We need to watch and find out.
But we could just watch the trailer, Abby.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we could just watch it. The end of the day.
How you take enter wahala because they find woman
You're not
number.
gonna beat the woman when you see the woman.
Beautiful story.
Thank
well
you.
told.
Thank you.
my.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to need to go see the last digits. It's out in cinemas. Have you done
It's
the
been in cinemas
Oh.
for 2 weeks now.
How about the CDs? You don't they?
When we finish for
Distribution.
cinema, we'll try online TV,
Okay.
cable TV,
Before.
DVD. Yes.
Nice.
all of
I know
that.
say now when they watch the trailer, it's very beautiful, but I know say behind the scenes, it's challenges
Work.
most today as a producer. And also, you act for inside the movie, so imagine being a producer.
Yeah,
and
Dublin as a co-producer and
If-
actor. How you see the?
You know, say devil not the tire. They at work all the time. I ain't go sit down, make you just the flow they go. He must trouble you. He must give you challenges. Challenges they, but God they God past devil.
Wow.
we try. We push.
How we fit
on.
to reach you on social media handles in case you want to follow you, get more info about your movie or other subsequent projects?
For Facebook, my name na Padita Agu.
Okay.
For Instagram, at Padita Agu. For Twitter, at Padita. It's spelled P-A-D-I-T-T-A.
Okay.
Okay, double TA.
Yes, double
On
T.
Instagram, you say na
Padita Agu.
Padita Ago.
At
Okay.
Padita Agu. P-A-D-I-T-A-A-G-U. Yes.
Wow.
On Instagram. Twitter, double
Ladies and gentlemen, look out for Padita Agu and
Yes.
Chika Okeke in the next movie.
But as soon as I watch that one, I notice all the hot stars where they did.
I
Dr.
see
Sid.
am,
And
Emma.
I don't see Dr. Sid for film before.
I never see him. oh.
That guy they try nothing wey they do. Na doctor, na dentist, they sing, he
Actor
dey
now.
act.
Multi-talent.
He don't
More
even
time.
direct now. Yes, since I don't go film school.
Yes, you don't actually go film school.
And this was his first film. Yay, I got him
Yay! Me next.
first. MI. Now MI
I
first
like
film.
you, they
be
love you
this
for
one.
yourself.
On the television. So that if you do me wayo, I come back
The
and
people
report
will
you
know.
here.
How?
Next movie, Padita Agu featuring Chika Okeke. Look out for it.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Kalita,
for
saying
coming.
inside our
Thank you.
studio. And
Thank
trust
you.
me, guys, you need to go see this movie. The
Yeah.
last 3 digits, very interesting. And me and Chika and Goody Lolo, we definitely will go see them this weekend.
Definitely.
All right, we're going to need to buy a small break. I'll got you there already to give us some sports gist. Stay with us.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.